khona bazobaleka khona bazogaxela jikijela mkhonto kwaza mkhonto wesizwe khona bazobaleka khona bazogaxela jikijela mkhonto kwaza mkhonto wesizwe khona bazobaleka khona bazogaxela jikijela mkhonto kwaza mkhonto wesizwe khona bazobaleka khona bazogaxela jikijela mkhonto kwaza mkhonto wesizwe jikijela mkhonto jikijela mkhonto jikijela mkhonto kwaza mkhonto wesizwe jikijela mkhonto jikijela mkhonto jikijela mkhonto kwaza mkhonto wesizwe
Kwaza mkhonto kwaza. Good morning, Lona, our coordinator, OS Zone 13 Siziwe Zwani. Today we're here to do a proper school handover yamadesk. As you know that we have been busy senza amadesk sifuna ukuthi abantwana besikole bazokwazi ukuhleleka bangene emaklasini khona bazokwazi ukufunda kahle bazokwazi ukubalansana ngoba bagcwele kakhulu. Basically today we are just handing over to the school. We have done the 250 tables, we have managed to do all of them, and that has managed to fill out 5 classrooms. So today we are handing over to the school principal, and thank you so much to the community at large, to Umkhonto, for supporting us. And we've been running this project on a zero budget, but with God's grace and the spirit of Ubuntu and humanity, and to build our communities and our zones, yonke into igcine ihlangene at the end of the day. Siyabonga kakhulu kuMkhonto wesizwe for coming with us through this journey. Kuze kube imanje, kwaza Mkhonto kwaza.
Jikijela mkhonto jikijela mkhonto kwaza mkhonto wesizwe jikijela mkhonto jikijela mkhonto jikijela mkhonto kwaza mkhonto wesizwe jikijela mkhonto siphelile amasela
As part of the community member, community builder, and an MK member, we are very proud to see the kids come into a different space where they can have their own chairs and their own tables. One of the challenges that we faced was the fact that each and every time there's a change of classes, students bring chairs, and it also caused a lot of bullying within the classes. So now that there's more space and kids have been located to this side, like matriculants, specifically they needed a space for themselves as that side was too congested and stuff. So we are very happy for the leadership and each and every parent, community builders, teachers that we work with, even the SGP. So I'd really feel very great if they have to have a 100% passing rate as they target on it.
Sibulise kwaza mkhonto kwaza mkhonto kwaza sihole Nqamalala sihole silapha eAlexander ezone 13 ngendaba yeproject eyenzwe ecalwe ama-individuals yaba yi-sub-region kwaba yi-region ne-province yaba involved ngoba babona isikolo lesi Alexander High abantwana abaningi kangaka more than 2000 bafunde abanye bahlala phansi. Then ke ama-comrade decide ukuthi awa-assiste ngokwenza ama-desk. Nazi ziyabonakala izinto ama-comrade amele azenze. Sibonge futhi ukuthi iSGB noprincipal nabantwana bamukele umkhonto wesizwe. Yes, asithi siyama elections langa siyazi ngoba nathi sivela khona esikolweni. That's why sicontribute and then ukuthi zonke izinto zihambe kahle. Thank you, Viva Mkhonto wesizwe, Viva.
Ngani zakwethu sanibonani uGodole okankomgodolo umfana udaba niyalwazi sila eAlex High eAlexandra lapho kade so hand over khona ama desk engane sonikeza izingane lento esiyenzayo ke it's not about ukuthi ngiqoka iskipa somkhonto ipolitiki la esikoleni kukhona our future leaders sibeke eceleni ipolitiki sifuna ukuthi ingane yomuntu omnyama nayo izizwe ingcono njengoba silethela ama-desk lawo iy'ngane ziwajabulele kakhulu bezingenawo beziwadinga so ingakho siye sakhetha ukuthi isikole sase-Alexandra kube yisona esizoza kiso singacinile-ke kiso sisazohamba sinikezela ngama-desk ngoba kubalulekile ukuthi sizinakekele iy'ngane. Ngikhumbula mina ngifunda isikole kwakunzima kakhulu ngoba into yama-desk yayingekho. Sibonge nje nothisha omkhulu wase-Alex High ngokuthi asivumele ngoba isikhathi esiningi basuke uthola ukuthi sifuna ukusiza iy'ngane bese kuba khona abadlala ipolitiki but uthisha wakule sikole akayidlalanga ipolitiki. Uthe ngoba nizosiza iy'ngane wathi ngicela ukuthi ningene ngaphakathi no matter ukuthi nigqoke isikibha esinjani, the fact ukuthi nizonikeza iy'ngane ilokho engikubonga kakhulu. Siyabonga kakhulu nje emphakathini, sibonge uthisha omkhulu, sibonge SGB, sibonge kothisha, siyabonga kakhulu ngakho konke abakwenzile nokusemukela nje kwabo, siyabonga kakhulu.
Greetings to Mzansi and Umkhonto Wesizwe generally wonke in South Africa. Silapha eGauteng sibizwe uZone 13. uZone 13 wenze iproject yokurenovate ama-desk esikolweni angu-250. That's a target there abayiqale ngo-back to school month kaJanuwari. Babona iy'ngane ukuthi zifunda zime ngenyawo, balungisa ama-desk awu-250. Namhlanje sizowahanda over and ama-comrades abhizi athenga iy'tulo ney'tulo zizolandela kulo leli viki iy'tulo about 250 ukuthi umntwana abe nesitulo abe nedesk. And sithatha le project as umphakathi wase-Alexandra ukuthi this we want to invest to our future leaders. We want to make education fashionable. Asifuna abantwana ukuthi bahlale emadeskini baye esikolweni bane depression ukuthi bahlala phansi. Sifuna abantwana nabesesikolweni into abayicabangayo kube yi-education kuphela. Okunye nokunye thina as abazali we are taking it upon ourselves. We are adopting Alex Secondary High School. We're going to make sure that we look after this school, we maintain the school the whole year. We want to make sure that bazothola 100% pass rate. Sithi abantwana class laka 2026 siba wishela all the best.
Sanibonani, and my name is Nonkululeko Mgcina Elena from Alexandra High School, and I'm here representing the class of 2026. We as the matrix of Alexandra High 2026 would like to give thanks to the Umkhonto Wesizwe Party for making amends so that we can have furniture, because we've been struggling with furniture from the past few years. So we'd like to thank them. They've done a very wonderful job because now we have furniture and now we are able to write appropriately. So big ups to the MK Party.
Sanibonani, igama lami ngumina Nhlilanga and I'm representing a class of 2026 at Alexandra High School. Besanda ukubonga iMK ngesenzelo khona by bringing us amatafula and helping us nge-furniture, because we've been struggling la esikoleni nge-furniture. We've been fighting over and over again nge-furniture, but siyabonga kakhulu enisenzele khona. uNkulunkulu anandisele, siyabonga niqhubeke njalo ngomsebenzi wenu omuhle, siyabonga kakhulu.
Waza mkhonto kwasa, waza mkhonto kwasa, Sandla Viva Jacob Zuma, viva Jacob Zuma, viva Zone 13, viva to the people.